Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for inquiring on our Skoda OCTAVIA 1.4 petrol SEL 5-door automatic hatchback OW67FCO. So just inside the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, an extremely large boot space. A spare wheel and toolkit. This vehicle also has the reversing sensors. Just inside, the interior, part leather, part suede. So this vehicle also has automatic headlights, 38,089 miles. Comes in with built-in satellite navigation system, as well as SmartLink for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle has heated front seats and dual climate control zones, and a DSG gearbox. So, as well as parking sensors, it's also got a reversing camera also. So if you'd like any more information on our Skoda OCTAVIA, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon, 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.